Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anju Chellani. In this video, I am going to teach you how to swap two numbers using third variable in Netbeans IDE. So friends, you can see on your right hand side of the stage, there is a swing control. You can drag label to the stage. Using F2, you can remove the J label 2 which is already there, and you can type your own text. The way I am typing, enter first number. After that, you can drag text field where user can enter first number which user wants to swap. Using F2, clear the text field. Now again drag second label and type message for user, enter second number. The same way you can drag second text field. Using F2, clear J text field 2, and now it's time to drag button. Press F2 and you can give any name to your button like OK. Before we start with the coding, let's give some name to all these text fields. Right mouse click on the text field, you will get an option change variable name. Click on change variable name and you can, by default you can see J text field 1 is coming. Instead of J text field 1, you can give your own name. So I'm writing here T1 and click on OK button. Same way you can change the second text field name, that is T2. Now we will start writing the code. Just double click on OK button. Now you are in the source code. In here, first we will declare three variables like int a, b and c. Now I am going to ask user to enter a number in T1 text field. For that I have to write a equal to integer dot parse int T1 dot get text. For second number I have to write b equal to integer dot parse int T2 dot get text. We have already declared third variable c. Now using third variable, that is c, we will swap the value of a and b. Swapping means exchange the value of b. So let's see. C, now I am going to write here c equal to a. It means I am passing value from a to c. In next line I am writing a equal to b. So now in this line again I am passing value b to a, and b equal to c means again the third variable can give back its value to b. Now this is time to display the final answer using system dot out dot println, and in double inverted comma I want to display value of a. So I will write first value of a in double inverted comma because that will display as it is. That's a message to user, and a is without any inverted comma. It means in this a you can see the final output. Now it's time to display value of b plus b. Now if I want to execute this coding, I have to use Shift F6. You can see the screen. Now I am going to enter 5 in A and 6 in B. You can see the final answer. Now the value of A is 6 and B is 5. So that's all for the day. So don't forget to subscribe and share, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. So till then, happy coding.